Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select your location on the Jooble application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the filter icon at the top of the screen in the right side corner. And now at this filters section, tap on the second option, locations. As you can see, you can select 3 locations, and they will appear at this selected section. So you are able to choose from these options here in the popular section. But you also have the chance to type in whatever location that you would like to add by tapping on the search bar and typing in the name of the city or county that you want to add to your selected ones. So just simply tap on it, and you will find your chosen ones here at this section. Indicated with a check mark. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.